NMRA stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Neumora Therapeutics stock a buy. What I'm going to be doing here is showing you my exact play and all that good stuff. With this thing in particular, well, you know, it's not the most bullish, not the most bearish chart. What I'll do is get rid of all this. Since it's pumping, you know, it's kind of juicy. I'm looking to double down on that long side. But when I say this, people assume that I'm just going to immediately buy. No. You know, having done well over 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's making me money and what's not. And especially with NMRA, I just would appreciate if it pulls down a bit lower and gives me rules. Like, it doesn't have to tap exactly the zone, but without the proper double break, there's just no way I'm buying. Like, straight up, you know what I mean? So that's that. Here's my confirmation. All I'm doing here in the meantime is obviously waiting for rules. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.